So welcome back to my channel guys, OJ Marketing. I would like you to check out this cool and amazing landing pages right here. As you can see, this amazing landing page, also this one right now, and this one right here. These landing pages were all created with the help of this cool and amazing platform called breezy.io, and each and every one of them was created by me. And I'm going to walk you through a very cool way to actually create a landing page for your CPA marketing offer utilizing this particular platform, breezy.io. As we all know, landing pages are absolutely important when promoting CPA marketing offers, as they could actually help you increase the conversion rate to your CPA marketing offers. That's why I'm going to walk you through how to easily do that right now. Now, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I usually create videos on ways to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right now. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. Now, you could also check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to an amazing course. And this course is absolutely for people interested in making money online with YouTube, as the course could enable you set up a 3-hour YouTube work plan for fast tracking your channel growth and revenue. You can earn up to $2,000 to $3,000 monthly with the help of this course right now, and the course is actually being sold for a sum of $49 today. And this particular price is going to just simply be available to the 1st of April 2024, after which the course is actually going to be sold for the price of $199. So if you purchase the course right now before the 1st of April 2024, you can go on to saving up to $150 right now. So why not just simply leverage that right here? So scrolling on through guys, you can see much more details about the course, how cool the course is, and also the earning capabilities of this particular course or the strategies in the course. You can also go on to checking out this cool and amazing payment proof video, and that's going to show you that this course is absolutely legit. And I do hope you don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to go on to learning these cool and amazing strategies in this course and make some cool cash online with YouTube. So diving right back into the video of today, we just simply first of all need to go on to grabbing a CPA marketing offer which we want to just simply utilize. And we can get offers right now from platforms like Max Bounty, CPA Lead, and CPA Grape, or any other CPA marketing platform of our choice. Now I'm just going to simply utilize CPA Grape right now. All I need to do is to log into my account. So guys, as you can see, I'm logged back into my account, and you want to come onto this page right here by clicking on the offer tools option. You want to select the drop down list, select my offers, and you're going to be able to see offers available to you to go into promoting. Now you can filter the offers to any demographic of your choice to get offers from that particular demographic, and I can just simply scroll through. Maybe I want to just simply select a very cool CPA marketing offer I want to just simply promote right now. Maybe I could just simply select this one right now. Now you can actually go on to see more details about the offer, that this is actually a giveaway for a $4,500 cash prize. You can also see that much more details of the offer, but supposing I want to just simply promote this offer, I can promote this with this unique affiliate link. Now, creating a landing page for this offer is actually very important, as it can help increase the conversion rate which you get to this offer, and also the money you're going to be earning from this offer. So how do you create a landing page for this right now with breezy.io? You just need to copy the link, head on to this particular website called breezy.io right now. This is a particular and cool website that you can just utilize to create landing pages in a breeze, and it is absolutely free right now. You can register for free right here. So all you need to do is to just simply click on the get started now. It's going to bring you to a page such as this, or you could just simply go on to clicking on the sign up for free. If you do click on that guys, you can see that you could sign up with your Google account. You can sign up also with LinkedIn, or you could go on to entering your full name, your email address, password that you want to utilize, and create an account right here. It's quite easy to create an account. You can either go on to downloading the application on your mobile devices, or you could just simply go on to utilizing the web version. Now, as you can see, I'm utilizing the web version, which is the Breezy Cloud. Now, for the web version right here, as you can see, these are actually previous landing pages I've created with the platform. Supposing I want to create a new landing page, I'm just going to click on create a new landing page. You can see this section for website and landing page. You want to select that, click on create, and right now guys, you want to just simply go on to choosing a type of website you want. If you want a landing page, if you want the free, for business, for education, for food, for art and music, and some other cool stuff, you can just simply go into selecting any one of that. Now, supposing I actually go into selecting the landing page, you can just see some cool and amazing template that you could just simply utilize. As you can see, you can go into starting with this design, you could preview the design, and you could go into editing the design to your preference. Now, I can actually just simply go into clicking on start with this design. Maybe I want to just simply start from blank. I can click on that and it's going to load up right now. So as you can see guys, I'm being brought to this page where I can start building my page. Now I can just simply click on this plus icon, of which I could easily go into selecting any of these templates to just simply utilize. Supposing I want to just utilize this template or this one right now, I can actually select this, but this one actually is a pro plan. I need to just simply sign up for a pro plan. I can go into selecting any other template. Maybe I select this one right here. I could just simply go into editing the template to my preference. You can see this image right now. I could change the image via clicking on this image icon. After selecting the image, you could select the image right here, cancel this, and just simply go on to clicking on upload right now to upload an image from your device. Now guys, to actually go on to getting the image for that CPA marketing offer, you need to head back to CPA Grip. Right click on this image and click on save image as to save the image on your device right now. Once the image has been saved, head back to creating your landing page, click on this upload icon, and here's the image right now. Just simply open that and the image will be uploaded on this platform as you can see right now. So you could just simply go into editing much more details about this particular, maybe the text right here. You can edit that to your preference. You can actually delete this section if you want. Maybe you want to put in a link for people to click to get access to that your CPA marketing offer. You can actually just simply click on this plus icon to add elements, where you can see a lot of elements. Right now I'm just going to go into dragging and dropping the button. Now if I do that right here, for this particular button, I could just simply change it to something like click here. And once I change it to something like that, I'm just going to highlight that, come onto this text section, increase the font size. If I do increase the font size, I can actually highlight the text once more, click on this chain icon, and just simply go into the URL section to just simply paste in that CPA marketing offer link. Once you paste in that, for any person that do click on this section that says click here, it's automatically going to take them to your CPA marketing offer right now. And you can then go on to saving this or publishing that. Now, I'm just going to show you that's it about creating a landing page from an already existing template. Now, if you want to create your own landing page from scratch, you can just simply click on start with this design. As you can see right now, the page is loading up, of which you'll still be brought to this section. Click on this plus icon. You can click on create your own. And right now you just need to go into creating your own from scratch. Now I can just simply click on this plus icon and start with a text. Now for this text, I can drag and drop that in right now, and I can just simply go into type in a text right now in this section. So I could just simply type in something like this, which says claim a $4,500 cash prize today. Maybe I want to change the font color. I could actually go into changing that to red. I can actually go into increasing the font size to any size of my choice. As you can see, I just simply increase that to, let me just take that to 50. And right now I could also go on to highlighting this, make the text bold, also go on to centralizing the text. I could underline or use some other cool features right now. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm just going to come right here, go on to adding something like an image, drag and drop this particular section in this section right now. You want to select the image icon, come onto the bottom section, click on this image, click on upload, and actually upload that particular CPA marketing offer image or any image you want to utilize for this particular landing page. Now, as you can see right now, it's being uploaded on the platform. Once it has been uploaded, as you can see right here in this section, you can actually go on to zooming in or zooming out based on your preference. Right now, I could just simply go on to reducing the size of this particular image. As you can see, I'm just going to reduce it, and this looks quite better. Maybe I'm just going to reduce this side for everything to actually show up, and you can see this is actually okay. Now once this is done right now, I could just simply also go on to add in a simple text at the bottom. I'm just going to drag and drop this to this section and type in something else in this section, something like click the button below to stand a chance of winning this cash prize. I can also go on to increasing this particular text to something like 36. I could leave it as it is. Once I'm done with that, I'm also going to highlight this and make the color black. So I'm just going to change this color to something like black right now. And I'm also going to go on to centralizing this. Now, when that is actually done, I can go on to adding a button. Now, if I click on this plus icon, I could just simply drag and drop this button in this section. Now for the button, I could also put in something like click here. So once I do type in something like click here, I'm going to highlight the text. I'm going to come onto this section and actually increase the font size to something like 36 also. So now if I do leave it as it is right here, I'm going to highlight this, click on the chain icon. I'm going to paste in my URL or file locker link or the CPA marketing link in this section. Now make sure you go into the URL section to paste in the link first, and you can actually leave it as it is. For anybody that click here, it's automatically going to take them to your CPA marketing offer. You could also link that CPA marketing offer to this text, so that anybody that do click on the text is also going to lead them to that particular CPA offer right now. So you can do that right here. You could also go into linking that to this image if you want to right now, so that anybody that do click on the image is automatically going to take them to your CPA marketing offer. You could do that right here also to the title. So that's how cool this actually is. Once you are done, click on this arrow right now beside the save draft and click on publish page. Now as you can see right now, the page will actually be published. Once that has actually been published, all you need to do is to come onto this section and click on go to dashboard. Now once you do go onto your dashboard right now, you can easily go onto seeing that this is the new landing page that has been created. You can actually click on the landing page or the link, and you can go on to selecting a custom domain. If you have a custom domain that you want to link to this particular landing page, you can do that. If you have a subdomain, you can, or if you don't have a custom domain, you can go on to utilizing a subdomain. Now I'm just going to click on choose, and right now you just need to select a domain that you want to utilize for this particular landing page right now. And if the domain has actually been utilized previously, it's not going to be allowed. So if I do go on to put in something like, maybe I'd select something like giveaway boss, I click on submit, you can see right here that this domain is already exists. So I need to just simply select something quite different. If I select something like giveaway baby, this is actually available right now. So right now you can see that that has actually been set. I could go on to previewing the landing page via clicking on this open icon, and if you do click on this particular icon, it's going to go on to opening the landing page for you to actually preview how cool that actually looks like. Now you can see that this is how the landing page looks like right now. In a matter of some minutes, we were able to create this simple landing page. And if I do click on this section that says click here, it's automatically going to take me to that particular CPA marketing offer. So you can see right now, it's already taking me to the offer to go on to completing right here. So that's how cool this actually is. Why not just simply leverage this simple strategy and create more landing page that actually looks quite cool and amazing? Take out much of your time, settle down and create a cool and amazing landing page. Now you could actually go on to promoting this landing page link right now to any person or any demographic of your choice, and you can go on to making some cool cash with CPA marketing. Now if you're looking for ways to earn more money online with CPA marketing or other strategies, you can check out my channel. I regularly create videos on ways to make money online, and if you like the content, you can just simply go on to checking out how cool they are. You could also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell and all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. So don't also forget to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to this amazing course to help you fast track your earnings on YouTube. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.